What if you were thrown into a fire so massive that birds fell from the sky just from its heat? This is the true story of Prophet Ibrahim's ultimate test of faith. In the ancient land of Babylon, there lived a mighty king named Nimrod, who claimed to be a god and demanded that all people worship him. But among his subjects was a young man named Ibrahim, who refused to bow to anyone except the one true God, Allah. Ibrahim openly challenged Nimrod's claim to divinity. He preached the message of monotheism, calling people to abandon idol worship and recognize the creator of the heavens and the earth. This defiance enraged the tyrant king. Nimrod, in his arrogance, engaged Ibrahim in a debate. When Ibrahim declared that his Lord is the one who gives life and causes death, Nimrod boasted that he too could give life and death by pardoning or executing his subjects. But Ibrahim silenced him by saying, "My Lord brings the sun from the east. Can you bring it from the west?" Nimrod was left speechless, humiliated before his people. Consumed by rage and wounded pride, Nimrod devised a cruel plan to destroy Ibrahim and strike fear into the hearts of those who might follow his message. He ordered his people to gather wood from across the land and build the largest fire ever seen. For days, the people collected timber, branches, and fuel. They constructed a massive pyre so enormous that birds flying overhead would fall from the sky due to the intense heat rising from below. The flames roared so high that no one could approach it. When the fire reached its peak, Nimrod's soldiers seized Ibrahim. They built a giant catapult to hurl him into the inferno from a distance, as no one could get close enough to throw him in directly. The entire kingdom gathered to witness what they believed would be Ibrahim's end. As Ibrahim was placed in the catapult, ready to be launched into the blazing fire, the angel Jibril came to him and asked, "Do you have any wish?" Ibrahim replied, "Not from you. My Lord knows my condition. His trust was in Allah alone." Ibrahim was hurled into the heart of the raging fire. But then the miracle occurred. Allah commanded the fire, "O fire, be coolness and safety upon Ibrahim." The flames that had burned so fiercely became cool and harmless. The fire that could consume anything lost its power to burn. Ibrahim sat peacefully within the blaze, protected by the will of Allah, as if he were sitting in a beautiful garden. Nimrod and his people watched in astonishment. When the fire finally died down, Ibrahim emerged completely unharmed. Not a single hair on his head was singed, nor was his clothing burned. He walked out with dignity and peace, a living testimony to the power of the one true God. This miracle became a sign for all people. It demonstrated that no tyrant, no matter how powerful, can overcome the will of Allah, and it showed that those who place their complete trust in their Creator will never be forsaken, even in the most impossible circumstances. The story of Ibrahim and the fire of Nimrod remains a powerful reminder of faith, courage, and divine protection for all generations to come.